What's up everyone and welcome to the club. In today's video we're drawing Cuddlepool from Fortnite. Let's begin today's lesson. In the center of the page and draw two circles for the eyes. Now I want to start with the one on the left. We'll start from the very top, come all the way around towards the bottom of the eye, and then back up towards the top. Now I'm going to leave a gap in between the eyes and draw the same size circle on the right. So let's start by lining up the top, and I want to bring that down towards the same height, and then bend that back up. Let's place the nose in between the eyes across the bottom. So we start with a point. Let's draw the left side of the heart. We're going to go up, come around, and then in towards a point across the bottom. Go back up to the top and do the same thing around the right side, and then in. Now along the inside of the eyes, we're going to add a curve for the muzzle. Going to go up and then down around the nose. Let's curl the muzzle, come around, and then up towards the bottom of the heart. So we're going to start on the left side, underneath the eye, go all the way around, and just pull that up in the middle, and down across the right side, and then bend that back in. Let's open up the mouth. We're going to start with the tongue, coming down and up, go back out towards the left. Just going to trace that same curve. Now I want to surround the face with a large oval for the head. Starting from the outside left eye, let's step out, come down. Just going to bend that in just underneath the mouth, go across, and then back up towards the right. Let's go back to the left side. We're going to go up towards the top of the head, round this out, come across, and then down. Now we're going to add those large patches around the eye. Let's start on the top of the muzzle on the left, angle this up and then out, and then do the same thing on the right. Let's work our way up towards that point. We're going to go up and then out. Now I want to curve around the eye, going out, down, and then in. Let's add that point across the bottom, drawing a straight angled line coming down. And just angle this back up and then in towards the side of the muzzle. Let's fill those patches in black. From the bottom point of those patches, we're going to add a curve coming down and then in for that seam. Now on top of the left side, we're going to add a stitch. We go straight across with a straight angle line, flatten off the ends, and close off the top. Now from that top point, we're going to go up in behind that stitch, then that's in towards the top of the head. Let's place the ears on top of the head. We'll start over on the left side. We're going to draw a circle. We're going to go all the way around, come down, and then in towards the side. Now you want to line that up on the right, going all the way around, and then bending that in. Let's trace the ears along the inside. Now let's go down and draw on the side of the body. We're going to start underneath the head on the left, curve the body going out, and then down towards the hip, go to the right side, go out and down towards the same height. Now let's move to the center and draw a large circle for the belt buckle. Let's go back to the hips, bend the belt, coming down and in towards the bottom edge of that circle. Let's step up and draw that same curve for the top edge of the belt. Now I'm going to add that detail in the buckle. Start with two straight lines in the center with a gap across the top and bottom. Just going to trace the circle on the left and right side. And we'll add the eyes with two straight angled lines coming in. Round out the bottoms. I want to fill that top and bottom area in black. Let's go back up to the top, draw a small half circle for the collar. And we're going to add that strap going across. Let's start from the corner of the body, then it's out, across the collar, and then up. Step over, draw that again. Now we're going to add that patch across the side of the body. Let's start from the top along the side of the collar, come straight down, angles down and out. I'm just going to line up this point underneath that strap, going out, straight down, angle us back in behind that strap, and I'll continue along the bottom. Now I also want to add a zipper across the center from the collar, coming down in behind the strap, and then towards the belt buckle. Now from the bottom of the buckle, let's step down, add a curve, going up and then down. So leave a gap in the center, go to the left side, we're going to bend the leg, going out and then down towards the left heel, go over towards the right, go out and then down towards the right heel. Let's round out the bottom of the feet. We're going to start with the left side, coming down and up. Now I want to curve the top of the foot. I'm going to go up like a half circle and bend this down, aiming towards the heel, and want to leave a gap on the inside. And I'm going to go back up to the hips and draw the outside of the leg. Let's start on the left side, we're going to go out and then down on top of the feet. And then we're going to add a thick sole across the bottom. Let's take this curve, we're going to step up and just trace that across on both sides. Now we're going to move back up to the hips and draw in that pouch. Let's start from the top of the belt, we're going to go out, come down, and then back in towards the side. And then from the top of the foot, we're going to step up and add a curve for the edge of the boot, coming down and in. Now over on the left side, we're going to add two straps. Let's start with the top, curving this in, step down, draw that again, and leave a gap and draw another strap going across. Let's add one strap on the right side. Now halfway across this curve, we're going to angle this up and in, then it's out and then up. Let's add another pouch along the side of the leg, going out, down, and then back in, going around that strap. Now we're going to go back up to the top and draw on the arms. Let's start halfway along the side of the body, so right here, bend the arm going out and then down around that pouch, line it up on the right side. Now from the wrist, we draw a small half circle for the thumb and close off the end with a bracket. Let's add 3 fingers on either side. We're going to start from the bottom of the thumb and come down and bend this up and in around that bracket. And then we'll go to the side, add the second finger, going around and then in. And the third finger, we're going to blend into the arm, going around, and just tuck this in underneath the head. Let's do the same thing on the right side. Now I want to separate the edge of the glove with a curve. We're going to go up and then out from the thumb. Let's leave a gap, draw the same curve, move up and draw it again for another strap. Let's go to the top of the arm on the inside, add another strap going up and then out. Step down, draw that same curve. Then we're going to add a patch across the top of the shoulder. Halfway along this curve, we're going to go up and in, and then angle this down. And then we'll sign our art and add a splash of color, and that's pretty much it. That's how I draw Cuddlepool from Fortnite. I hope you enjoyed today's lesson. If you did, please be sure to subscribe to this channel for daily videos where I'll show you how to draw different characters just like this one. I want to thank you for watching, and I'll see you again soon.